Hi guys, we received this black pendant light for reviewing purposes with clear crystal. When we open the box, the first thing we see is the instruction manual. So as you can see, it comes very well protected with foam, which is really nice. So let's start taking everything out. This is a crystal, okay? You can see it's really nice. It's like a drop shape, okay? This is a light fixture. This is okay. It uses regular socket for universal light bulbs, which is really nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and start placing it. I will be placing it in here. So let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. As you've seen, it was really easy to install it, just some basic wiring. And I like a lot how the contrast looks between the matte black finish and the clay star bulb, which is really nice. So I will recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.